add a new sheet, same data set, new sheet I said in the yesterday's thing. Label map is done, right? This one was the yesterday's last. Now we'll see tooltip. Tooltip is a thing right now. See here, this white box which is visible there is a tooltip. Now whatever attributes I am creating this sheet with, those attributes will definitely be visible there. Now attributes which I haven't used, the measure and dimension which I haven't used, that also if I want to see, then I can put that in the tooltip. So that white box is what? Is a tooltip. Now if I put this profit am I using in the sheet? No. Currently I am not using. So when I just drag it and drop it to the tooltip, you see now profit is visible in the box. Earlier that was not visible because I have used subcategory and sales. So both are visible, subcategory sales. That much only will be visible always. Additional thing is if you want to see in the tooltip, if you want to give more insights in the tooltip, then you can add them. For example, sales. Sales already is there, right? So profit, discount, quantity. So see, profit, discount, quantity is visible in the tooltip. Do it, everyone. You guys little bit this side. Done. Now make a new one. Are you three of you done? Help us. Tooltip line. Okay. When I hover on this line, again all these things are visible. So just I have created this chart. Same thing I have done. Added the profit, quantity, discount in the tooltip. Now when I hover on the line, those extra things are visible. Make this Then tooltip map. Same. How will you make the map? Yes. Because how will you make a map? Double click on state, put the sales into the color, then add the extra things which you want to see like profit, discount and quantity. Put it in the tooltip. Quickly do it. Because you are in India. That is your current location. Right now we are using the data set from US. Okay. Now see this shape option. Like for line, where is the line? Line chart only path will come. Any other case path will not come. Yes. Similarly, for this what we call scatter plot, when we are using both the measures, we are not using any dimension in this column and rows. Yes or no? And both the major values we are using, that we will create a scatter plot. Okay, that is kind of chart. This we will understand while creating the charts. Okay, right now something a visual is getting created when we are using both measures. Okay, so at that time shape option will come. Okay, so create one new sheet, name it as shape. Shape option will come when you will use both the measures. Done. create this both the visual, add this both sales and profit to the row and column. When you hover in the tooltip, this two will 100% be visible. When you add something else like quantity into the tooltip, now quantity will also be visible. Okay. So here we were not looking about the tooltip. We are looking about the shape. So see, clicking on the shape, I'm adding few more shape. For you, it might not be there. Mostly it is not there because you are using the free version. Getting it, everyone? Yes. So next is details. Now see, when I put this market, everybody look at here. When I put this market into the color, it will give me all different colors. It is highlighting that. Okay. But I don't want to highlight. I just want to have that understanding that this many markets are present. Only the partition is created. Getting it? I don't want to see who is which market. I just have giving some more details about the section. That's it. Having a thin difference. Getting it? You're not seeing the exact uh, which market it is on the sheet itself, but we know that there are this many markets which this category is being sold in. Done, everyone? Now we are going to go for a very important topic, that is formatting. Formatting is done when, for example, when you will do makeup, when you are going outside to some program or yes or no. First of all, for that program, our presence is important, right? So data is very important. Yes or no. Now, as a data is important, the data should look good also. Yes or no. If a marriage function is there, you will not just wake up and go to the marriage function, right? Your presence was important there, but how you are going there in a good that particular occasion's costume you are going there, right? So that is what formatting is. Understood? So you will think like it's my friend's marriage and I'm going there. That is only a big thing. So that is not a right way or correct approach, right? So your data is important, but it should look good also. Understood? So that's what we are trying to do here. We are creating some meaningful insights, but while presenting, people should not just see and feel it bored. Should be little bit interactive. So what are the possible ways we are going to see that? Right now we are in the phase of just understanding which thing does what to us. For example, nowadays lot of things are available in the market. For example, sunscreen, face wash, all those things are present. Five things here, 5 6 creams are there to just to apply on the face. And after washing the face, then all those different things are after. Yes. So which thing does what? We are in that phase right now. Okay. So we are going to click on each option and see what does it do. Right now while doing this, see, does it look good? No. But as we are just trying to understand that which, after clicking on what option, which color is being on which part of that structure, that we are going to understand. Okay. Once we learn that, then using all those buttons, we are going to make it look good. That will be your homework, today's homework. Okay. So whatever charts till now we have created, on all that you have to do, apply the formatting. What we are going to learn today. That clear, everyone? Ready? So let's start. Please make this chart. Quickly. Name this sheet as font, shading, border. Then created the structure. Now everybody stop doing whatever you are doing. Look at the screen. Everyone. So here is the format option. Clicking on this format, you have this font, alignment, shading, border lines. We are going to see all these options. First option is font. Once I click on the font, just next to it, there is alignment, shading, borders, and lines. Okay. You don't have to go again and again here. Just one time you will come to this, click on that font, and all the options next to it are present. So right now, this all options, what they are doing, let us see that. So I'm clicking on the drop down. Don't do it right now. Clicking on the pane. What is this? Pane. So here I'm clicking on red. So see, pane data getting. So pane means what? Only the numerical part of our data part of our sheet. So when I click on header, or just in the pane, I'm making it bold so that it will look broader. Now header part, which different color I should give? So header. Now tooltip, this will be visible in my tooltip. See, brown color, green color. Yes. So tooltip. Now title, this is my title. Yes, title. Now when I want to clear all that formatting, I can click on this drop down clear worksheet formatting. Yes. Now when I go to this worksheet option, it will do red color to everything present on my sheet. Getting it? Except the title. Do this everybody. First go for pane, header, tooltip, title, then go for worksheet after clearing all that worksheet formatting. Giving you 1 minute. Then now here this grand total is not visible. Yes. Just clear the sheet worksheet formatting. Now we'll go to analyze. Here totals option is present. Click on row grand total and again go to analyze. Click on total. Click on column grand total. You see here column grand total is also present. Row grand total is also present. Now use this colors and try to check what is happening there. So pane means the grand totals data is getting having the color, and header means the header is getting that formatting. Analyze grand total, show column grand total, row grand total. इसमें जा रहे हो आप? टोटल्स नहीं है क्या वहाँ पर? Show row grand total, show column grand total. See there, it is not visible. 2 times I said, no? Do it. Done everyone? Now look at the screen. I am clearing this worksheet formatting. Now no one should do anything. Going to this alignment option. Now what I'll do, just to make you understand, I'm just increasing the size. Okay, this alignments, what thing is happening? See, look at the screen. See, the data will move. Understanding how it is happening? Then center top. After clicking this only, you'll understand. Try this, everyone. See here once again. I'm increasing the size of this headers also. Okay. Now clicking on the header and right. See this header alignment. Check it. See the center. Yes. Understanding how it is changing. Then making it normal. Now this horizontally, changing it horizontally, and here changing it vertically. Understood? Try this all options quickly. Done. So now look at the screen, everyone. ये एरो दिखेगा जब आपको थोड़ा ध्यान से क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. देखिए ऐसा खींचना है उसको नीचे. समझ रहे हो? Now clear worksheet formatting. Now see everyone. Are you all seeing on the screen? Going to the next one, that is shading. Going to the pane, giving red color. So this pane is getting the red color, but it is getting corresponding. Okay, means one red, one gray. So that gray color is just because of this row banding. So if I say row banding none, so all will become red. But if I give any other color for row banding, it will get that color. Getting everyone? Now wait, don't do it right now. So this is for row banding. Now another is for header, giving header color. So header banding. Let me give some another color. So header banding. Then two more options are there. You can increase the size column binding. Now, so see column binding what it is. This is column binding, column header binding. See, this is pink color. Now, if I remove all this by clear worksheet formatting, if I give worksheet a color, so whole worksheet will get one color. Okay, do this everybody. Done. Either you can copy the sheet, paste it, and do the value changes. Duplicate you can do. Copy formatting is there, but it won't affect. Let me check. Let us suppose market What is option? Copy formatting. Here it is. Yes. Can you go to the next? Now next one is, okay, just see this and try to make it like this. Okay, first one more option is remaining, that is one more option is remaining there, that is borders. Going to the pane, leaving the border, taking one particular color, taking the size. This border will be visible when I remove other formatting. Let us see what this border is doing. Okay, this border is for pane. This, let me take it. This is cell border, green color. Then this header border. Okay, row divider. This, see this one, row divider, column divider. Which color I should take? This one I'll take. Column divider. This is the column divider. What is this? Column divider. Do it everyone. All the border options. Done? Your homework is still today. Whatever charts you are made, open all that sheets and apply this formatting to that. Okay, tomorrow I will check. I'll invest 10-15 minutes for checking the homework. Only if you do the homework, then only join the class for tomorrow. It's very serious. Hmm. Done everyone? Can you go for next? Now, another one. We'll make the graph. Create like this. Everyone, create a visual. Earlier, just now we have done the formatting for the cross tab. The data in the cells, which is looking like a matrix. For that, we have done the formatting. Now we'll do for the visual. Okay. So you just have to go to the font, change the font. Now pane, our numeric data is form of bars. So whatever color I will change in the pane will not be affected on the sheet because this data is now in the form of bar. But still headers we are having. So header color you will be able to see the changes. Okay. Then tooltip also we can see. Then title also. Then go to the alignment. Pane alignment won't be visible, but header alignment, depending upon the size, how much you are giving. Okay. Then go to the pane color. Yes. Then go to header color. Then go to row banding. Then go to header banding. See if something is getting changed or not. It is not in the form of matrix. So wherever you see this option is not reflecting, you can understand. This was reflecting in the cross tab, but not in the sheet, worksheet for the visual. Column binding is visible. इस अभी ये एक एक कॉलम को दे रहा ना, इसको मैं बढ़ाऊंगा. इफ आई इंक्रीज इट विल गिव टू टू कॉलम्स. सी दो कॉलम को मिला के दे रहा वो बैंड साइज. ओके. डू इट एवरीबॉडी. बॉर्डर्स. So whatever option is not reflecting, it means that is not applicable for the current visual, but it might be applicable on the cross tab. Then now see everybody, this create a visual like this. I'll remove the formatting. Get it? Now in the format, click on lines. These are grid lines. These were not visible earlier at the back. Right now also very thin grid lines are visible to you on the sheet. Yes? So these grid lines, I can make it off. Then zero line is not present here. See, this is the zero line. Then trend line is not there. Reference line is not there. Drop line. See here, if I click right click, I can see this drop line. How to make it look visible? Drop line, you can select this. Right now for you it is unselected. Okay. When you unselect, drop line will not be showing. See, though you click, nothing is visible. Okay. When you right click and switch on the drop line, then it will be visible. Okay. Now, if you always keep it on, let us suppose edit drop line always. You see how it is visible? It's not good. So it should be looking only when you are clicking on that. Okay. Then axis bar, axis ruler. This is your axis ruler. Axis ticks. So near this 0K, 50K, there will be small ticks. When I click on this red color, you can see I will on it, none. The ticks are gone now. When I give some color, so that small ticks are coming right near this 150K, 200K. These are axis ticks. Okay. Everybody got all the options? So your homework, you got it right. Wherever you see whatever the visual, apply the formatting on that and come tomorrow. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you all. If you have something to ask, you can ask. Sir, we can follow the huh? We can listen. See, it will just take you 1 hour. Sir, tomorrow I will not. Yeah. Online people also, I will ask you to share the screen. Okay.